Insulation was starting to come down, so I made some keepers to help hold it up. Just cut them out of an old antifreeze jug. Works like a charm. She sees a lot of old dirt driveway use, but I think it's about time to clean her up. I certainly can't go any higher with the carb spacers. We've reached the limit. Time to change the old oil. 6 years or 6,000 miles, whichever comes first. The best way to remove your oil drain plug is to get a 6.78 socket, 1/2 inch drive, 3/4 to 1/2 inch reducer, 3/4 inch breaker bar. Everybody knows that the torque increases by 10 every week. Effectively broken loose. Is everybody's drain plug 7/8, or is it just me? Well, the oil filter wrench no longer fits. I guess I come down a little too hard a couple times and mashed my exhaust pipe up closer to the filter than... Well, it looks like even if I get it broke loose, it's not going to screw off. It's going to hit the pipe before it gets out of there. We'll see what we can do. And now I'm out of time. I have to go back to work. Got her broke loose. Finally. She was a tough one. Aha! All I have is a pH 8A. Same thing as the 16, but taller, so probably not gonna fit. Nope, it's definitely not gonna go. Next day, I got a filter, but it's been non-stop raining. Apparently, the roof of my shop has a leak. I had to put a board under my jack. Well, this filter's too long as well. Back to the drawing board. I just set the old filter back up on there, put the plug back in to get through the night. Don't need any bugs or spiders crawling up in there. Day 3. They say it's not the destination, but the journey. Here we are, still trying to get the... All right. There we are. You're probably asking why I didn't just go back with the same filter. My local store doesn't carry this brand. Come on, baby. Gonna take 2 hands. Nope, we got her. Good enough. I'm gonna pull this drain plug back out. I let it drain the other day, but it sat here, so we'll see how much drain down. A few drops. Don't forget to only use a 1/2 inch drive ratchet to tighten this up. Three-quarter will probably ring it off. Found a random jug of oil. No label. Smells like gear. It should do. We've almost fully converted this to a Chinese muscle car. Made in China. China. Focus. China.